Hi friends, this is Kamal Shah from Switcharts Consultancy Private Limited. Switcharts is into training on technical analysis, and we had started with a series of videos on introduction to technical analysis. This is the third video in the series, and in this video we are going to talk conceptually about technical analysis and the advantages of technical analysis. Right, so let's understand technical analysis in some detail. For that, let's understand the historical sense behind technical analysis. So if I have to say, technical analysis has been used in US and Europe for almost 100+ years, right? And it's now gaining importance even in India, and that is the reason why one who is related to stock market, either as a trader or an investor, should be aware of this technical analysis, right? So now let's understand what is this technical analysis. So if I have to just say that there are two key things in market. Those two key things are price and the second is volume. So if you are able to plot them in a single chart and just study the pattern the price is making, you can easily guess or predict how the price is now going to move in future. So that is the reason why technical analysis is gaining more and more popularity, because it creates charts with price patterns. Now, these price patterns, they can be either bullish or bearish. Now, hope you recollect from the previous video where we said what this bullish and bearish means to us. Just to recollect, bullish is our view in the market if we are expecting the price to rise from the current levels, and bearish is our view in the market if we are expecting a fall in the price from the current levels, right? So if I'm able to read the patterns and understand whether it is bullish or bearish, it makes sense to take a trade from that viewpoint, right? And it makes us an easy entry into the market, right? So that is the key reason why technical analysis is gaining more and more popularity. Now, if I have to put them into systematic advantages of technical analysis, so if I just say advantages of technical analysis, my very first point comes out to be is systematic entry and exit in the market. So now if I have to ask you a very simple question and be honest to your own self, how many of us till date have experienced that after I buy a particular stock, the price has started to fall, and once I sell that particular stock, it starts rising, right? So this particular scenario, why it happens? Because we have not seen the chart before entering into the market or before exiting from the market, and the point where we had actually bought can be where there is a bearish pattern formation in the chart, and that is the reason why once we buy, it starts falling, and it can be a vice versa, right? And that is the reason why we have that common experience amongst almost 90% of the people who are related to stock market, right? Now, the second thing that we say as the advantage in stock technical analysis is that it helps to control risk. Now let me tell you one thing, friends. If I tell you that I'm a technical analyst and I'm telling you that you please buy a particular stock at current level and it will go to almost double the price in say 1 month or 2 months. But can I guarantee that? No, right? Because no one in the market can guarantee a return on your investment. But yes, you can define the risk you want to take in the market, and that is what technical analysis helps. It gives you a proper exiting or risk figure which you can take in the market, and that is the reason why it is gaining more and more popularity, because we know that in any business, if you can control risk, you can make good money. All right, so this is the reason why technical analysis is gaining more strength. Now if I tell you another example, if I give you a booklet of a company which is around 30 to 40 pages, which has got n number of financial figures, results, order book, etc, etc, and in the second hand I just gave you a chart of that particular company. Now tell me which one would be more easier and less time consuming for you to decide what to do with that particular stock. Right, so the particular image or the chart would be fast, and you will be able to decide, if you have known about the patterns, what you can do with that particular company, whether you can buy or you can sell, right? So that is the reason why the third advantage of this particular technical analysis comes to freedom of time, because it helps you to reduce the time that one spends in analysis of which stock to be bought or which stock to be traded into the stock market. And that is the reason why it gives you that extra time which you can then spend with your family or with your friends, or you can live the passion that you have in your life. Like someone would be interested in going out every day for gymming, say swimming, running, cycling, or maybe going out partying out, but because that person is tied up with its current job format or the work hours, he or she is not able to get that extra time out. And with this type of technical analysis, if you are able to do it with expertise and guidance, you will be able to get something called as freedom of time. And parallelly, what you also get is freedom of money, because if you are doing it systematically, you will always have good money with you, right? So finally, technical analysis, it helps us for systematic entry and exit in the market. It helps us to control risk. It also gives us freedom of time and freedom of money. Now let's move on to understand what this technical analysis actually discounts, right? So technical analysis have the trends in market divided into three major trends, which we will be discussing in the next video, right? And there is one more thing which technical analysis discounts is, it discounts all the news. So if anyone who is reading a chart of a company should not be looking into the media news or anything else, because one thing is for sure, that chart speaks everything, and that is what technical analysis helps. Hope this video was helpful to you. Like our YouTube channel Sway Charts for more and more videos. Thank you all.